Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to show Gmail contacts in Contacts app on Mac. So if your Gmail contacts are not appearing inside Contacts app, it usually means your Google account has not been added yet or contact sync option is turned off. Once everything is set up correctly, your Gmail contact will automatically appear in Apple Contacts app without needing to import them manually. So to fix this issue, here's what to do. First, click on the Apple logo at the top left corner of the screen and then choose System Settings when the menu appears. Now here, scroll down in the left side pane and then go to Internet Accounts. Now here, make sure you have successfully added your Google account here. If you haven't added, then go ahead and add it. If you don't know how to add, I'll attach a video in the description that will let you know how to add Google account on Mac. And after adding, go to your account and make sure to enable the toggle write to contacts. Now wait for a moment for the sync to finish and then open the contact app on your Mac and your Gmail account should now be visible there automatically. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.